welcome back. I hope you love Pete the Cat's Groovy Days of Christmas. Now I want you to think about what kinds of things do you love? Do you really like? Do you really like a certain kind of toy? Do you really like certain foods? Do you really like places that you go? Because you are going to have to include them in your own Groovy Days of Christmas. So I have sent you some sheets, but you can totally make this up yourself and make it on even bigger paper if you want. And then it might be a little bit easier for you to draw. But if not, you can print it out, and there's two options. One option comes with like this, and it has a blank up here because that's where your name's gonna go. It's not Pete's 12 Groovy Days of Christmas. It's Mrs. Hamilton's 12 Groovy Days of Christmas, or Susan's 12 Groovy Days of Christmas. You are going to put your name here. And then these are all about you. Now on this template, if you want to print it out, the numbers are all here for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I've also put one in that's blank. So if you can write your own numbers, I would really like you to do that. But if you can't yet, or if you need to trace them, then they're there for you to do that. Also, I have written the word groovy a few times in each square, so you know how to do it, and you can add it, because after every single thing, what did they say? Groovy. You've got it. So you can include that on each little box, okay? Now, I am going to show you how to do this. Are you ready? Okay, so here is one that I've already started. Can you see that? Okay, so I wrote Mrs. Hamilton's 12 Groovy Days of Christmas. And I was thinking, what do I really love? And I love sparkly things. I love glitter. So I put, for number 1, I put 1 bag of glitter. And then up here I put groovy. And in number 2, I always wear a necklace every single day, even on the weekends. So I put, for number 2, on the second day of Christmas, 2 necklaces. And then I wrote groovy. I wonder what you could do. You need to fill in all 12 boxes. Some other things that I might put in there: lipsticks, purses, shoes, dogs, cats. They're all things that I love. Chocolate. I could put them all in here. You can draw pictures only, or pictures and words. I want you to see what you can do. If you need some help, that is okay too. But I want to see what you can come up with. I'm so excited.